Okay, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace oil and filter on BMW 2009 750i. Okay, under the vehicle we have a drain plug here for the oil, and here's the oil filter as well. So I'm gonna release this one. For this one I'm gonna use a tool like this. It's T50. It fits perfectly. And for the filter I'll be using this kind of tool. Here. First I'm gonna use a ratchet with it's pretty tight. There we go. It's pretty tight. Then I have this. Gonna let it drain. See, the oil was black. It's pretty bad. Okay, then I open the lid where you put the oil in, so there would be no vacuum while you're draining the oil. Okay, now remove the filter. This is how the filter looks. It's really dirty as well, and the oil is black. Okay, now I have this. I'm gonna remove and install a new one. This is from the filter. That's the filter I'm using. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna remove this. this old ring and install a new one. Okay. Okay, so I put the new filter in. I just press it in. It has to like click. Make sure you install it the right way. And I also got this like a small seal, but I don't know where it's going. Maybe it's from some other model. So, okay, before we installed the filter, I heard that you need to add oil inside here. So we're gonna just add some oil, some new oil. Because you can damage something or something.
See how much oil you need?
Yeah.
A lot of oil. And you can run the engine dry. Gonna damage the engine. It's not gonna hurt.
Okay, that should be enough, right?
Yeah.
We can see the oil on the sides already. The torque specs are 29 lbs. So you can, if you have the special tool for torquing it, then you can use that. But I'm using this one, so I'm gonna just do as hard as I can. This should be enough. Now, we just need to install a different new, like a washer that comes with it, with the filter. Make sure you replace that. Okay, this is my old one. And a new one. Just clean this bolt. Install the nut. And the torque specs are the same, 29 torque lbs. This time I'm gonna use a torque wrench to torque this to 29 lbs. Okay, now I'm gonna torque this. Okay. Now make sure you clean everything, wipe all the oil, and start the car and check for the oil level. And then after that you can add some oil, and also after you complete all the oil change, you just get down and watch for any leaks if there is any. Okay, now we're putting in the oil. This is the kind of oil I'm using. It's 5W30, and I live in Florida, so we have
Whoa.
hot weather. Okay, so we put 5 quarts in, and now we're gonna put like half of 5 quarts, and then start the engine and check for the oil level. Okay, now I'm gonna start the car, and then okay, so we go to set now vehicle info, and then vehicle status, and then engine and oil level. Okay, now it's saying measuring oil level. Okay, and now it says add 1 quart of oil as soon as possible, so it's below minimum. Okay, now we're adding another quart.
Almost there.
I was told it takes 8.5 quarts, so I bought like 10 quarts just in case.
So we'll have to with a 2. We good?
Okay, let's go ahead and try it again. Okay, so we checked again, and it says at maximum. So
we got
everything
it exactly.
yep, it knows. So we added just like one more quart. Okay, so I got my ignition on, and I'm trying to reset the oil, but it does not work here. So I have to use some kind of OBD tool to reset the oil service or the oil life. But this is how it should be done. You just press and hold this while your ignition is on, and it should like pull up a menu here, and you just select the oil, and then you reset it. You can watch that on some other videos on YouTube, but I cannot do this, and I will have to do this through OBD tool, but I have to get the right tool. So if this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.